If you're encountering the automation failed error on Airtable, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check automation settings. Review the settings of your automation. Ensure that the trigger and actions are correctly configured and that all required fields are filled out properly. Step 2. Review error messages. Look for any specific error messages provided by Airtable. These messages can give you clues about what went wrong and help you identify the exact issue. Step 3. Test each step. Run tests on each step of your automation individually. This will help you determine if a specific action is causing the failure and allow you to isolate the problem. Step 4. Verify permissions. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to execute the automation. Check if the automation is set to run under the correct user account with appropriate access rights. Step 5. Consult Airtable support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Airtable support for assistance. Provide them with details about your automation and any error messages you encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the automation failed error on Airtable. Good luck!